Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, kind of one of my somewhat routine videos on quote-unquote fake lawyers, sometimes called notarios, oftentimes operating under the sort of blanket umbrella term visa agent, which there is no such thing in the American lexicon insofar as anything that has any actual legal bearing. As we've discussed many times at length on this channel, unfortunately, there are fake lawyers out there. There's just total fake lawyers. And a lot of people sort of ask me, why isn't anything done about these people? Why doesn't somebody do something? Well, they oftentimes kind of fall through the cracks. They're usually fairly, I hesitate to call it, I don't know what the right, cunning, maybe the right word. They sort of tend to kind of operate on the fringes. And then on top of it, things like U.S. embassies abroad, they have limited resources. They can only do so much. And moreover, U.S. embassies are not, it's not, a U.S. embassy, it's almost akin to like America's, I hesitate to compare it to a post office. That's not really, but it's simply a representative of the United States. It's not the U.S. government insofar as it can affect, major practical changes within a foreign country, nor would it be really correct or appropriate for them to do so. So, there's not a major mandate out there to go after fake lawyers, unfortunately, and these other folks that operate with less than good faith, let me put it that way. And so the question kind of becomes, well, what could be done about it? I mean, really, the best way to deal with it would be a specific statute out there, which not only there are actual HCFR 292.1 is very clear. We've discussed that. That operates with respect to Department of Homeland Security within the United States, and notwithstanding the fact that maybe that's not as rigorously enforced as it otherwise could be, there is law on the topic. It is illegal for folks to operate in the immigration sphere without proper credentials. But really, if you really wanted to stop it, you pretty much have to pass a law, pass a statute into law, which created serious criminal penalties associated with it, and possibly, even monetary fines, and then go ahead and, kind of put the enforcement apparatus on top of dealing with that. I mean, my personal opinion is Department of Homeland Security investigations probably would seem to me to be the logical sort of enforcement arm for dealing with that. Now, whether or not they think that's within their mandate, I don't know. But to me, that seems like the logical place where, and I've done videos in the past and done blog posts and things in the past when DSI, in cooperation sometimes with ICE, will find and prosecute fake lawyers, people who are pretending to be immigration lawyers and causing real problems for folks. So yeah, it's a real issue. It's an unfortunate issue. Do I think it's going to really be rectified anytime in the relatively near future? No. But if comprehensive immigration reform was ever to come down the pike, I think that could be something to be added in to a possible bill which could have substantial benefits for not only the public, but for the government, who doesn't have to deal with people that are doing these things and causing problems.